Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9. Everything you need to start the day in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, starting now with news from China that economic growth was 10.6% in the first quarter of 2008. That was actually better than market expectations for 10% growth and came despite ice storms and power cuts in January and February. This was actually a slight slowdown from 11.7% in the fourth quarter, but it still shows that economy is running hot and that China needs to tighten monetary policy to slow things down. In fact, that's what the People's Bank of China did immediately after these figures. It tightened rules on credit, meaning that banks have to keep more of their money with the central bank. Chinese inflation figures also came out and they were up 8.3% in March. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand has said it's watching China and Asia more broadly very closely for signs on inflation and on economic growth, because that affects New Zealand now much more closely. Elsewhere overseas, JP Morgan's profit fell 50% and it wrote down another $2.6 billion in subprime losses. But it was better than expected and the markets have rallied overnight. Closer to home, the former National Party Minister John Luxton has disclosed he resigned from the Blue Chip Investments Board in 2006, claiming he lacked confidence in the advice, judgement and frankness of founder Mark Bryers. He didn't tell anyone then because he didn't want to damage the company's reputation, although he said he was resigning because he didn't want his reputation to be damaged. I'm Bernard Hickey, that was 90 at 9 on interest.co.nz.